Hey guys, my name's Paul. I got a quick video for you here today. I'm gonna show you how to take your aFe Takeda intake, either open or closed box variant, and change it out for a bracket that allows you to run a basically open filter, so like a cold air intake, more traditional cold air intake. It sounds really great. I think it complements the car really well, and it's super easy with this bracket that I've got. So we'll get to that now.
All right, I'll show a quick install video, then we'll go into some sound clips at the end. Sound clips are with the factory blow-off recirculation valve, nothing aftermarket. I'll have timestamps linked below in the video description. Thanks a lot.